Most people don't realize this until it's too late. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about what you do with what you have. You could make $5,000 a month and still be broke, or make $1,500 and slowly build wealth. In this video, I'll share 7 powerful habits that can make you rich before 30, even if you're broke right now. These aren't quick hacks. They're real mindset shifts used by millionaires who started from nothing and stay till the end, because habit number 7 is what actually separates the wealthy from everyone else. Let's begin. Habit number 1, pay yourself first, 110 to 200. Every time money comes in, most people pay their bills first and save whatever's left. That's backward. The rich do the opposite. They pay themselves first. Set aside 10% of every paycheck for savings or investments before you touch a single dollar. Even if it's small, it trains your brain to prioritize the future over impulse. Because wealth doesn't start in your wallet, it starts in your habits. And no, paying yourself first doesn't mean buying new sneakers. Nice try. Once you start saving, the next step is knowing where your money actually goes. Habit number 2, track every dollar. Money leaks faster than you think. $10 on coffee, $12 on apps, $30 on random takeout, gone. Use tools like Mint, YNAB, or even Google Sheets to track every expense for a month. You'll be shocked at how much slips through unnoticed. Would you keep pouring water into a bucket with holes? Exactly. Once you track your spending, you gain control, and control creates confidence. And with confidence comes the ability to take the next leap. Investing. Habit number 3, invest early and consistently. Here's a truth most people ignore. Time beats talent in investing. A 20-year-old investing $5 a day can retire richer than someone who invests $20 a day starting at 30. That's the magic of compound growth. Your money earns interest, and that interest earns more interest. Start small with index funds, ETFs, or fractional shares. Don't wait for the right time. The right time is right now, because the only thing more expensive than investing early is waiting. But investing money is useless if you never invest in yourself. Habit number 4, learn about money. Every day, every rich person I've met has one thing in common. They never stop learning. They read books, watch finance videos, listen to podcasts, and treat money like a skill to master. Start with 10 minutes a day. Read one blog, one page, one video about money. Over time, your financial IQ compounds just like your investments. You'll start saying, that's a depreciating asset, while your friends argue over the new iPhone color. But even smart people go broke if they fall into this next trap. Habit number 5, avoid bad debt. Debt can be your biggest enemy or your greatest tool. Bad debt buys things that lose value. Good debt buys things that create value, like education or business tools. If you're paying interest on a credit card balance, that's not normal, that's financial quicksand, because every dollar of debt is a dollar of your future you already spent. So when you free yourself from debt, what's next? You build more ways for money to flow to you instead of away from you. Habit number 6, build multiple income streams. The average millionaire doesn't rely on one income. They have at least 3, a job, a side hustle, and investments. That's the triangle of financial freedom. Start small, freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, YouTube, anything scalable. If you can spend 3 hours scrolling TikTok, you can spend 30 minutes building your future. But all these habits mean nothing if you don't master the mindset that ties them together. Habit number 7, think long-term. Most people think in days. The rich think in decades. They ask, will this decision make me richer or poorer in 5 years? When you start thinking long-term, instant gratification loses power. You stop chasing trends and start building assets. Because real wealth isn't about luxury, it's about freedom. Freedom to choose how you live, work, and spend your time. And that freedom, it starts the moment you stop chasing quick wins and start planting long-term seeds. Here's the truth. No one becomes rich overnight. But if you practice these 7 habits every single day, you'll wake up one day and realize you're living the life others only talk about. So take one habit, just one, and start today, because the best time to get rich was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. If you found this video inspiring, hit subscribe, comment building wealth, and I'll see you in the next video. 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025.